Look at the sky. It is crowded, it is violent, it is alive. We live in a brief, exceptional moment of cosmic history, an era of light, an era of stars, an era where the universe is rich with the gradients of energy required for life to exist. But this is not the natural state of the universe. This is merely a spark in the dark, a temporary disturbance in a void that is destined to be cold, silent, and empty. We are witnessing the morning of the universe. But the evening is already written in the laws of thermodynamics. The first phase of the end is the death of the giants. The massive blue stars, the engines of creation, are the first to go. They burn hot and fast, exhausting their fuel in a few million years. They are the brilliant candles that light the galaxy today. But 100 trillion years from now, the stelliferous era, the age of stars, will come to a close. The vast clouds of gas and dust that currently birth new suns will be exhausted. The stellar nurseries will fall silent. No more stars will be born. The galaxy will turn a dull, deep red. The only survivors will be the red dwarfs, small, cold, economical. These tiny stars sip their hydrogen fuel so slowly that they can linger for trillions of years while the rest of the universe goes dark. They are the final outposts of light. Eventually, even the red dwarfs will fail. The last fire in the universe will flicker and die. The stars do not all explode. Most simply, stop. They become black dwarfs, cold, dark spheres of degenerate matter. They are the cinders of a fire that has gone out. The lights of the cities of the sky have been turned off, one by one. The era of degeneracy has begun. In this darkness, time begins to lose its meaning. A billion years is no longer a significant measure. We must think in timescales that the human mind was never designed to hold. But physics does not sleep in the dark. The next stage of the end is the most profound: proton decay. It is a theory that matter itself is not eternal, that the very building blocks of reality have an expiration date. On a scale of decillions of years, the internal structure of the atom fails. The solid rock of dead planets, the frozen iron of dead stars, the forgotten bones of ancient civilizations, they all begin to dissolve. Matter is a temporary mistake. The atoms of your body, the mountains of the earth, and the cores of dead suns evaporate into a thin cloud of subatomic particles. The universe is becoming a graveyard of dust. The solid world is vanishing. Now only the heavy remain, the black holes. They dominate the universe for an incomprehensible amount of time. They are the final masters of the void. They wander the darkness, swallowing the last remnants of matter, cold stars and stray particles. They are the ultimate scavengers, but they too are subject to the laws of entropy. In the cold mathematics of the cosmos, nothing is permitted to last. Deep at the edge of the abyss, a quantum process is at work, hawking radiation. Through a ghostly leak at the edge of the event horizon, black holes bleed energy back into the vacuum. They are evaporating. For trillions upon trillions of years, they lose mass, particle by particle. It is a slow death. But as they get smaller, they get hotter. The slower they die, the faster the final end approaches. The largest black holes will take 10 to the power of 100 years to disappear. A number so large that if every atom in the universe were a second, the universe would still be in its infancy. Eventually, the final black hole in the universe reaches its limit. In its final moments, it releases a sudden, brilliant burst of light, the last flash of energy the cosmos will ever see. A final pop in the dark. And then, there is nothing left to happen. Welcome to the photon age. The universe is now a cold, thin soup of individual particles. A photon here, an electron a billion miles away, a positron drifting in the opposite direction. They will never meet. The expansion of space has pushed them so far apart that they are effectively alone in their own private universes. The temperature has dropped to absolute zero. Energy is perfectly distributed across the infinite reach of space. There are no more gradients, no heat, no movement, no change. Without change, there is no way to measure the passing of time. A second is indistinguishable from an eon. History has ended. Memory is gone. This is the heat death. The term is a paradox. It is not a death by fire, but a death by the absence of it. It is the state of maximum entropy. The universe has reached its lowest energy state. It is a state of perfect, terrifying equilibrium. We look at the stars today and we see a beginning. We see a story in progress. We see ourselves as a part of a great cosmic dance. But we are lucky. We exist in the brief, microscopic window of time between the Big Bang and the long dark. We are the witnesses to the spark. The universe is not dead, it is just finished. The work of gravity and light is complete, the equations have been solved, and the answer is zero. The final silence has begun. If the end of time is a cold, empty void, what was it like before time began? And what happens to the ghosts of the stars we left behind? Click here to return to the beginning. Click here to see the magnetar. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.